tous azimuts. Peuple congolais, il est temps de nous lever, de nous serrer les coudes et d'agir pour défendre notre patrie, notre intégrité territoriale et l'intangibilité de nos frontières. La République démocratique Batela Ekolo, Bendele Koyate.
Bonsoir, bonsoir, bonjour. C'est Congo News 24. Bande Konanga, comme toujours avant de commencer notre émission, nous disons merci à Dieu. Nous disons merci à nos chers abonnés et téléspectateurs qui nous suivent partout dans le monde et en RDC. Bande Konanga, soyez les bienvenus. À la une, chers téléspectateurs, on va commencer cette émission Bande Konanga. Oh, balobaka le discours de Kaikwamba. Après Bande Kona signature à New York, bokoyoka Kaikwamba nega détaillé makamutu. Et puis tokoyoka discours à USA, ndenge ba détaillé makamutu. Alors banamboka. Macheza mubulu. Ya hote Sabino était victoire des anakanabiso. Et oh balobaka yindi boyoka Kaikwamba pe boyoka et les États-Unis. Alors, pour développer mon émission. Chers téléspectateurs, émission Nabise Bandi et committant autosola ma solo yamboka. Bandeko, dossier mususu ya Nintorubax. Le réaction. Si discours ya Kaikwamba, si discours ya USA, Rwanda, nakateli bulu, mawa, maele silibango. Tokende, parce que ma solo oyo, eza ma solo mo congolais fa comprendre nango très bien. Parce que ba aventurer ba côté na réseaux sociaux, bazo changer même ba détail. En tout cas congolais. Mais c'est clair, même si c'était en anglais, mais awa ozotanga na ba traduction en français. Ce n'est pas possible. Ya auto tiango pour congolais talande bazuba komiango ke nango malembe tanga mebe écrit en français, soko zoyoka anglais. Vraiment, t'es pas ce Kaikwamba a indi si na anglais. Match eza mobulu. Mais, bekri okotangango na français. Chers téléspectateurs, les dossiers oyo ba signé, clairement, c'est la victoire diplomatique de la RDC. Eza kokende ko exploiter, boluko à gauche, à droite, moussa le kaka premier point. Mais premier point, les frontières, eza yabiso. Bakokota lisusu te. Et puis, Kaikwamba, atangi point moko moko. Bolanda très bien. A lobby sur les frontières à RDC. Eza négociable était l'intégrité du territorial na biso toza indépendant. Toko négociango na mutu ti. Match eza ya koyinda awa. Et puis lisusu ayenango na poana. À lobby, Ezako s'est basé sur la résolution des Nations Unies 2773, les Rwanda et les Pantins, bakanga bisaka na bango, bakite la RDC. Ezaya koyinda, bokoyoka ye, Kaikwamba, azo lobango, parce que ba pese ma loba avant la signature, wana loy botala kiangote. Bah quand elle précise les mots, Mama oyo azasomo yango imonde za ya koningana yango fubo zala na ministre d'État ya boyi bande ko tanga zoloba secrétaire d'État américain Rubio zo nyingisa mutu macheza mobulu parce que nan ndenga zo nyata ba point nan ndenga zo beta basete Kaikwamba oza fin moko ta kokanna tala makamoto zoloba ko eza makambo yo kakazolo bango fait patriotisme. Alobi so na tali mboka na biso. Likola ba minere na biso moko. Mais lelo to JP. Wana tanga zoloba atie point. Atali secrétaire d'État américain. Alobi merci pour na oyo bosali. Parce que to clôturer masolo. Mena Congo a jupis. Bandeko tanga zoloba yango. Bandeko eza makamba kosakana te. Rwanda comme na point difficile yake moyen kolobeza te bayako pese na suka mwa maloba ya yeko de tamuke awoloba nini biso nde tosasi tolobi nyonso ete bakotia shu bakolo na RDC te mais avant de continuer ba commenter réaction toyoka son excellence la ministre d'État Kaikwamba toyoka le secrétaire d'État américain Rubio tolanda bongo to avance en tout cas totieka ba photo nyonso ndenge masolo ebandaki atelemi mazotala Rwanda ti oyo kado secrétaire d'Amérique do kake pa mama na biso masolo kitoko tala kuna américain batike kada kidiba bako solo na yo nini yo bako solo na nini na yo donc soko zotala kande batelemi o comprendre comment sengweza na mutema Rubio et sengweza na mutema ya Kaikwamba masolo kitoko kuna kote ya Rwanda Apolimai. Parce que nous avons ministre Wazamayele, Wazo beta ngoloko la fimbu na niveau USA. Et puis mokileza ya koningana. Cette dame, la dame de fer. Mozalendo, la ministre d'État. Naboba commenter to landenan. Po boyo kade ko yinda kaka. Toyo kai. Avançons.
To play a constructive, productive, and important and key role in ensuring that that can happen. And a durable peace in the Great Lakes region will open the door for greater U.S. and broader Western investment, which will bring about economic opportunities and prosperity. And it will also help advance President Trump's prosperity agenda for the world. It's as they call it, a win-win for everyone involved, for the United States, for the Democratic Republic of Congo, and for Rwanda. Our firms are good corporate citizens, American firms, and they'll bring good governance and ensure responsible, reliable supply chains for things like critical minerals that benefit regional governments and our partners and allies as well. This economic development, combined with durable peace, and I would say durable peace comes before economic development. It's impossible to do without the peace. It will also allow millions of displaced people to return to their homes, to safer communities, with new economic opportunities that have escaped generations. The African Union and regional economic communities in Africa have done incredible work, and we need to recognize that in bringing parties together and laying the foundation for these talks. Our government here is focused on energizing these efforts. So we're going to be in close contact with our African Union partners to make sure we can bring this to fruition and to see that this better future reaches everyone. I do want to especially thank our senior advisor, Mr. Boulos, and his counterparts in the Democratic Republic of Congo and Rwanda for their vision and for their hard work. Today is a step to building a peaceful, prosperous Great Lakes region, and we look forward to working with everyone involved to achieve this goal. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you. Mr.
My apologies. I should have turned to you. I was looking. That was.
No worries. Thank you. Mr. Secretary of State, Honorable Senator Marco Rubio, His Excellency Mr. Olivier Nduhungirehe, Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Rwanda, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, today marks not an end but a beginning, a necessary step towards peace taken with resolve and purpose. This moment carries particular weight for the Democratic Republic of the Congo. In Goma, in Bukavu, and beyond, the reality of displacement, insecurity, and hardship continues. For us, the urgency of this initiative is not theoretical, it is human. We signed this declaration of principles not as a symbolic gesture but as a political commitment, a reaffirmation of principles enshrined in international law and most recently echoed in the UN Security Council Resolution 2773, a resolution calling for the immediate, unconditional and verifiable withdrawal of all foreign troops from sovereign territory of the DRC. We are clear in the Great Lakes region, peace must come first, followed by the rebuilding of trust, and then, only when conditions are right, the careful reopening of a path to meaningful bilateral cooperation. Too many past efforts have failed because sequencing was ignored and accountability postponed. Peace and development cannot rely only on good intentions. They must be built on responsibility, clear commitments, measurable timelines, and consequences for non-compliance. This is the only way to restore credibility, not just among states, but with the people who are waiting for peace to become real. The signature of today's Declaration of Principles heralds renewed hope. It reflects the U.S. resolve to complement and support regional and international efforts. This initiative brings accountability and draws the hard lessons from past efforts that have failed to materialize. So the good news is there is hope for peace. The real news, peace must be earned, and it will require seriousness, transparency, and sincerity. We welcome the leadership of the United States of America, a country that has shown steadfast support, consistent principles, and resolve in multilateral forums, especially within the United Nations Security Council. Mr. Secretary, Senator Rubio, I would like to express our deep gratitude. Dr. Boulos, also, your extensive consultations across the region have brought nuance, depth, and humanity to this process. And your presence today underscores that diplomacy must listen, understand the lived experiences of those most affected, and seek durable solutions. The Democratic Republic of the Congo recognizes and values this engagement of the United States. We are also encouraged by US-backed initiatives that promote secure mineral value chains and inclusive economic growth. These efforts reaffirm that peace and prosperity are inseparable. Each step towards stability is a step towards dignity, jobs, and schools. This is the promise of responsible investment and a principled partnership with the DRC, a country not only emerging from conflict, but also at the core of finding solutions to global challenges. To our countrymen and women in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, especially in the East, we know you are watching this moment with concern, with hope, and yes, with doubt. And you are right to do so. You have every reason to expect more than promises. You are entitled to actions that measure up to the suffering you have endured. We draw strength from your resilience, from your commitment to justice, and from our shared, unwavering belief that our sovereignty and our territory are not negotiable. We are a nation that honors its responsibilities, and we understand that history, geography, and yes, maybe even fate has given us the neighbors we have. The borders we inherited, as confirmed by the African Union, are permanent and will never change. But beyond these lines lie histories, families, and communities that bind us together. This shared heritage calls for maturity, restraint, and the wisdom to recognize that peace is not weakness, it is strength. Once again, we stand at crossroads, with peace within reach, and we, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, are determined to move forward, building on the lessons from the past. We stand as a nation dedicated to achieving lasting peace. We welcome the support of a strong partner by our side. And I voice the solemn hope that all parties will seize this opportunity, just as we, the DRC, have chosen to. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Minister. Mr. Minister. Thank you. Good afternoon. On behalf of President Paul Kagame and the government of Rwanda, I want to start by thanking President Donald Trump for enabling a real change in the conversation on how to resolve the situation in the Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo, leading to the signing of the Declaration of Principles today. I thank Secretary Marco Rubio and the United States government for hosting us, and I commend the positive role played by Senior Advisor Masad Boulos and his team and other officials in the significant progress achieved thus far. Today, we are talking about the real issues, the root causes that must be addressed to achieve a lasting peace in our region. Those include, first and foremost, security, as well as the return of refugees. In addition, and very importantly, we are discussing how to build new regional economic value chains that link our countries, including with American private sector investment. Our goal is a secure region, free of violent ethnic extremism, which is well governed. Working together, our region can be an engine of prosperity for all our peoples, and indeed Africa as a whole. The Declaration of Principles opens the door to a definitive peace agreement, giving fresh impetus to ongoing efforts of the Africa-led process under the East African Community and Southern African Development Community, as well as the Doha track, facilitated by the State of Qatar, where we have seen important breakthroughs in recent days. Our common aim is to conclude a comprehensive peace agreement as soon as possible. But there are no shortcuts or quick fixes, and we have to do the hard work to get it done right, once and for all. Rwanda is committed, and we are ready to continue working together with all the partners in of this initiative. I thank you all.
Thank you. All right. There he is.
Secretary Rubio is signing as a witness the Declaration of Principles between the government of the Democratic Republic of the Congo and the government of the Republic of Rwanda. This declaration commits the parties to mutual recognition of sovereignty and territorial integrity, addressing security concerns, promoting regional economic integration, facilitating the return of displaced persons, supporting MONUSCO, and drafting a peace agreement. These are serious commitments from each side. The Secretary's presence here today as a witness signifies the importance the United States places on resolving this conflict to ensure both countries and their people prosper. We're looking forward to working with both sides to further our existing partnerships and foster win-win outcomes for all.
Chers téléspectateurs, nous avons suivi. Tolandi, siko tokoloba, nini. Bota la place Oyo, Kagame et ses hommes bazanaka. Wapi ba pante. Siko mon makele bozaï kotia. Comment bakele ko signé? Na, ese bo mona ki na doa. Bo mona ki kai kwamba kuna. Nzambe nanga macheza ya koinda bapante bakeneki akora Nairobi biso siko toyina akoro a sulu accord de Luanda yango donc soki nazolanda un Congolais azo changer maloba o kutu Rwanda ako mutu bosane kop eso yoka ka anglais bien you. Si vous ne connaissez pas l'anglais vandanier. Les partenaires américains et puis biso to sana to aliwana masolo ndenge zo betama ezali que ce quoi c'est partenaire c'est quoi d'abord et ce sont comprendre le mot partenaire ce que c'est osomba biloko pananga oza partenaire nangati oza ko sombati ce que oza ko somba oza wana tozo négocier na yo l'air nyonso okomi partenaire parce que ozo somba biloko alors ba jango ba balusi partenaire wana ba lambi yango ba kocha una kati ya ex na bango ba komo lobo tala mutu azaki ennemi akomi partenaire na biso oza ndenge nini ba congolais bolanda très bien ba américain bazoya ko investir na EDC mais ba société na bango mususu déjà ezalaka na Rwanda ba société wana o eza na Rwanda bazayi ko benda ba plan et pas Kagame na Muyibi bolanda très bien ba américain baza sage lokola déjà ba rêve makambo ndenge komi potopoto bo esi reverser ba compagnie na bango ezalaka na Rwanda ba somba ka ba plan Kagame a Muyibi sikoyo ba plan nyonso to ya ko somba kana EDC clairement partenaire gagnant Rwanda a kosomba. Donc la façon dont ils disent, on dirait que nous allons nous mettre ensemble avec le Rwanda, Tote Kabaplan. Rwanda n'a rien du tout. Les Américains le savent. Vérité de Kubima après Makambo. Je ne sais pas comment la banque rwandaise Tope Savon Kaka 5 ans. Pour le moment, Oba Yibi na Nweza. 5 ans après, Rwanda Koko a faillite. De toute façon, basi porta kabaona ba européen. Les budgets peut-être vous connaissez, peut-être vous ne connaissez pas, les budgets rwandais est allé supporté par l'Occident. Rwanda est de l'autre côté. Je répète encore, le budget rwandais eza supporté na Occident. Batie États-Unis atie, Angleterre atie, pays oetie, oetie, basangsi Rwanda zo fonctionner. Alors, azaka de l'autre mais kuna na Congo, fatia ye budget 16 milliards. Mbongo ebimi. Ya biso moko. Bango bazana ngoti. Payer za moke. Aso vivre bien. Faut on dire. Asa bon bien mboke ya nango bien. Alors les messieurs a juste ko EDC ba plan na ye ya poche na ye. Ba plan na ye o alekana nango na marque na ye abongsa kamboka na ye. Mena tokangi yango. Tozo pesa ba Rwanda kaka 5 ans. Tato koma 2029, 2030, 2031, plus de 6 ans. Le Rwanda a comme en difficulté. Bako koma kwa kufuka mepana. Bazane lo côté. Eloni bateka. Ba tomate. Banin. Biloko na toyo kaba minere wana eza ba yibaka. Alors, moyibi azaka na ba plan na ye. Abani ko chimola mabulu la marque na ye. Po ba mona peke azaka na biloko. Mbalo yo vérité yebani. Abochela bisoka ba camp militaire na ba frontière wana nyonso. Parce que le programme que ba américain ba yako entraîner FARDC. Pomoni Rwanda. Ba c'est ko entraîner mais ba soldats rwandais. Depuis longtemps na niveau Rwanda komi. Biso ba ko entraîner armée na biso. Bali wana baze sune eloko akosala te. C'est fini bolandi Kaikwamba. Eloko nga na sepeli la Kaikwamba c'est quoi? Alobi makambo ya ONU 2773 que ba Rwandais na ba Pantin soit disant les RDF 123 va quitter le sol congolais sans condition. Alobi yango pona ko rappeler bango que match za mobulu. Donc biso to telemi. Alobi ni les négociable ti. Tanga be écrit en français très bien, on peut oyeb sabandoki a Congo batika kokosa ba congolais. Sikoyo. Bozaye ko finga ba konziti. Bo fingi bo lobby siko to komi wapi. Ziko nana gagne match. Bo loba nani a gagné. Ake ko signé na ba rebelle, ake ko signé na bango. Siko bo moni bien que kuna ezaleka cesser les faits. Batika bitumba eza soute na États-Unis zani. Nyonso détaillé. Et puis balobi na bango bien que dans 5 ou 6 jours, dans une semaine, bati agreement ya suka. Donc tolo ba que dans 2 semaines, Rwanda mota otika na EDC, dans 2 semaines, ba pante tout ba kangi bisaka. Ba ke na kati ya ngomba wana o ba na kati ya zamba, soki wape pa ba kirobomba ba pante, ba kei. Allez, triage, yo zanani. Oh ngabwe, oh yo lekabu. Yo ngabwe, leka. Matche bandi, tanga ko banda. Boko mona. To ebisa kibino. Que c'est fini. Parce que ba américain ba zoya na investissement privé. Ya l'étati. Ba société privée zoya ko travailler kuna. Ba soldat ya américain ba ko ya, mais ba ko ya pona ko tia kimia. Pe pona ko entraîner FARDC. Et maintenant, biso to gagne bitumba. Yo congolais. Oyo lingaka mboka na yote banda lelo linga mboka oyo et puis na zeso bande konyonso tanga ngo très bien muta kosote landa be écrit en français très bien bongo muta ya kokosa yo yebisa yo pe tialo batala na ntande ba komite atana yoka anglais te tande ba komi botika kokosa ba congolais et de saga bitumba match sili guerre laisse abu pia bolandi les déclarations bana mboka to tika ngona bino. Écoute, comme une émission, pourquoi autre que joie, la réalité n'y a RDC. C'est à ce point que Zangate sona no s'abonner les rangs, s'abonner les rangs. C'est à ce point que moi clôturer mission, bon partager. Au revoir, à la prochaine.